2-year-old. Oh, there you go. Can you see him? With his hand on his hip. He got his hand on his thigh. Now I'm whispering. That's how loud he is over me whispering. I just thought that was just too loud coming from a 2-year-old. Yeah, that's him, but that's Dad. It is halfway on him. Now mind you, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. And this is what happens when the day is finally over with. Dad just went to sleep, so he'll be sounding like Son in about 5. Too cute. Oh my God. Priceless. Good night.